So this is one is topic now that we are getting. It is called self-realization. It's realizing our true nature in our everyday life. Our true nature is nature of love and peace. So our being or God or how you call it, source or consciousness is the made of love and peace. And we carry this energy inside of us, and we need to accept it, recognize it, live it, and see this energy in everybody, in everything around us. Feel it, love it. Okay? So that is the self realization. Loving and feeling this, your God self, and love this same energy in everybody else, in everything. See it. So that is the called actually self-love. I call this self-love because you're loving your true self, self that you're sharing with others. That's what you're loving. And this is the true self-love. And that's why because we forgot this our nature of love and peace. That's why this so many misunderstandings happening with in our relationships, in global plane between nations, only because of that, because we all forget who we are and what we are made of. And because man and humankind forget about this love, and that's why all these wars are created and all animosity, all competition, all fighting, all misunderstanding. That is the main reason. Coming back to our true nature, living it, feeling it, recognize it, knowing it, it is something that this humankind and this planet is moving to into this direction in order to grow, in order to save it, in order for everybody to be happy, to be to live fully, to have all what is needed to have for one life, all what is necessary. But everything is about that, recognizing our true nature and living it. It's not mystical, it is something that is natural, something that is really natural, that everybody needs to do in one of lifetimes, and maybe it's time for us to do it now. You see, it is waiting for you. If you don't do it now, maybe next lifetime. Or maybe next, I don't know when. It is waiting for us to recognize this love, peace, or you can call it consciousness, awareness, you can call it source, being, any name, it is okay. Okay, whatever you call it. And it is very important to put that into action, not only to recognize it and forget about it. It is important to live it. And this is called self-knowledge. Self-knowledge, know yourself. That is coming from old Greek philosopher Socrates. Know yourself. If you know yourself, you will know everything else. If you don't know yourself, what else you can know? You see? By knowing yourself, you know this universe. You know nature of everything. That how that is the actually the most important thing, to know yourself, if you think about. you know, and to recognize this your nature that is pure love, pure peace, and it nothing can happen to it, nothing can destroy it. So it is like ocean. Now we think that we are wave, but we always belong to ocean, and we always be the ocean. Wave is appearing for some time and comes back to the ocean. Same, our body, our personality appears for some time and goes back. Same what is happening with us. You see? But because of identifications with our memories, with our feelings, with our thoughts, with our body, we think that we are wave, you know? But the essence of the wave is the ocean, water, and it cannot be different. Our essence is pure love, or God, or being, or source, or life force. And it is about knowing this, recognizing this, living it. That is all about now this topic, you know. And usually people in many spiritual traditions, they think that need many, many lifetimes to do this, and so much spiritual practice to do this, so much effort, so much renunciation, giving up of life. But that's not what is actually required now, today. Because life is this life outside, it also comes from the same energy. It is not different. So, what are you going to renounce? What are you going to give up? You see, we just need to see through this world truth. That's what we need to do, to see the outside truth and inside the truth, not to give up on things. You nobody asking this. Give up on life, give up on something. No. Okay? It is a matter of recognition. And this is all these healings that we're doing in all these 4 classes are heading to these realizations, heading towards this goal, realizing your eternal part and be aware of it and be part and realize it in your everyday life. All what we have done so far was going to this way. Okay, this is the technique that is meant to bring you to this realization. Okay, so then your life become richer because you discovering some parts of yourself that you never maybe thought before. So you become rich when you're having this knowledge of yourself. You see? Okay. So are you ready?